Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And this hopefully will be a really fun video for y'all. This is my 21st mystery bundle battle, Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battle with JM Unboxing and More, which is JOHANA. JOHANA and I have known each other since we started our channels pretty much, and we have been doing battles together, exclusively just the two of us, for a long time now. But I did talk with JOHANA back around the holiday time, saying that the $29 for the mystery bundle was getting to be too much for me each month, because then we also do a giveaway. We do a mystery giveaway, so and we will be doing a giveaway with this as well, and it was getting to be too costly for me. So we were going to cut down. Well, then with the spring Fab Fit Fun mystery boxes, with the spring Fab Fit Fun sale, whatever you want to call it, they raised the mystery bundles from $29 to $39, and they still have the same value. They are supposed to have a value of $100+. So I said to her, I don't know if I'm going to be able to continue, but I do have a couple. I think I have 2 mystery bundles, from previous seasons, and then I also get the refill bundle. I don't always get it all the time, and I did think when you're, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Fab Fit Fun, when you go to customize, they have refills that you can get. So they have products at a great discount, and the refills were $14.99 for the mystery bundle. And last quarter, I got one, and a lot of people got them. And some people got fabulous ones, and I never get a fabulous one. So I've gotten it, and then I've canceled, and then I've gotten it again. This past time, because the price of the regular mystery bundle went up to $39, I got 2 of the mystery bundles. They used to be $14.99. They went up to $19.99. So I got 2. So I just grabbed one, and JOHANA got one. So we're going to do a battle on the refill, which we paid $19.99 each. So this bag has a value, it's supposed to have a value of $65+, and there's usually 3 items, whereas the regular bag, the regular mystery bundle has usually 4 items in it and a value of over $100. So I know that's a lot to say there. And then also Fab Fit Fun, if you're not a member, you can scroll through this if you know all this already, but Fab Fit Fun is $59.99 a quarter. If you buy it by the year, which is what I do, you save $5 a box. It's not a big savings anymore. They've just changed their prices. They're 10 years out now. They've had their 10-year anniversary, and things have changed. But things have changed with most boxes now. Prices have gone up. So anyway, a quick glimpse at my mystery bundle. Let's get into it already. I'm sorry to take so long. I also want to tell you, though, about JOHANA. JOHANA is just a wonderful lady. She has a great channel. If you don't know her, I'm sure you all do, but if you don't know her, go see her. I think you'll enjoy her channel. She does a lot of unboxings. And one of her favorite, I would say probably her favorite box is the Fab Fit Fun box. And she gets lots of them. She has several subscriptions to Fab Fit Fun. So she can show you a lot about Fab Fit Fun. I've been a member of Fab Fit Fun for a long time now. I want to say it's about 3 years. I did love it at the beginning. It was my very first subscription box. It's what made me start my channel. I just realized I have no lipstick on. So anyway, y'all, I'm sorry I'm taking up so much time, I feel. Anyway, let me show you. This is my mystery bundle, okay? It is 2301 MYS 017. Sometimes that means something. It used to mean you got the same things, but it doesn't mean that anymore. So I do have 3 products. And what I'm going to do is show them to you, and then I will get you pricing, and then I'll tell you more about the giveaway. JOHANA is a wonderful person. She's a mom. She has a full-time job. She's in management, and she has a son with autism, and she just is phenomenal. How she takes care of everything, but she does. She takes care of everything. I don't think she ever sleeps. But anyway, go see her and tell her I sent you if you're new to her channel. All right, let's see what I got. I got some good things, y'all. Just looking at what I got. Of course, the bag is clear, and you can see in it, but I try not to look ahead of time. But I did have 2, And I just grabbed one. I will show you the other one in a different situation, maybe further down the line with JOHANA. I'm not sure. But let's start off with this. I like all three items. I don't know what to start off with. I have a product from Grown Alchemist, one of my favorite brands. It's an age repair eye cream, Biological Beauty. I don't know if I've ever had an eye cream from Grown Alchemist. I don't know. No, I definitely have not had this bottle before. Okay, I definitely have not. This is in a nice glass bottle, and it says age repair eye cream. And it's in a very nice pump. I just am finishing up an eye cream, and I'm starting another one that I just recently got. So this will just go in my arsenal, and it may end up in a giveaway because I love it. I love Grown Alchemist really a lot. But when eye creams can last a long time, and you don't want things to spoil. A lot of times they don't have a date on it when it would spoil. They just have, once you open it, then this has 12 months once you open it. And I haven't really opened it until you pump it. So that is very nice. I'll get you the pricing on these in a little bit, like I said. And then I have this cute little bag, and these are definitely glasses. But there's nothing, when you get a mystery bundle, there's no information about the product, so I don't know what it is till I open it. It's Live the Sweet Life, it says on the bag. That's a nice bag. The bag is soft. I'm trying to see. It feels sort of velvety, but it's not. It's just a nice bag. Actually, it's that kind of material that you could clean your glasses off with too, I think. And since these are clear, I would say that these are blue light glasses. So they're very pretty. Now you're seeing the ring light in there. They have the nice tortoise shell. I will tell you this, y'all. Since I've been getting Fab Fit Fun, and other boxes I have gotten blue light glasses in. I put them in some giveaways as well. I really like them. I use them every day at work, and because I look at the computer a lot, and they keep me from getting a headache. A lot of times at the end of the day, or my eyes would just get tired. Maybe not so much a headache, but my eyes would get tired, and they really help with that. So I just keep them at my desk and put them on. Now these are, I'm going to put them on to show you. Just, I don't know what you call this style, but they have the little things that sit on your nose. They're comfortable. They're comfortable. And usually these are 50-ish, in the $50 range. So I will let you know. This looks like a valuable bag. So I'll let you know the value of that. Very nice. I don't know the brand. I'll try to find out all that information when I look up the pricing. And then we have this package. This is from Herbivore. I would say it Herbivore, but some people say Herbivore. This is Prism. It has a little bit of a shine to it. An AHA and BHA exfoliating glow serum. So now Herbivore is also a high-priced product line. I've had a couple of things from them before, and look at how beautiful that is, y'all. It does look like a prism. The way that the packaging is, it's a nice glass bottle. It's like I said, let's see. It says a blend. I think that the Herbivore is natural. It says a blend of natural AHAs, including lactic, glycolic, and malic acids, plus a concentration of natural BHA willow bark to exfoliate dead skin cells to reveal smooth, bright, and glowing skin. So you apply 4 to 8 drops to clean skin and massage in and leave as a leave-in treatment. Okay, that's good to know. Use daily or as often as needed. A tingle and or mild redness upon application is normal. Okay, not sure I like the idea of that. Exfoliating is good. I do use an exfoliator scrub or something to wash my face, maybe about once a week or so. But I know that this is oh, I love the bottle. Packaging is so much to me, y'all. So anyway, I'll be back with pricing. All right, I'm back with the pricing, y'all. And this is the Prism, the Herbivore Prism is valued at $58. Golly, that's gorgeous. I just love it. The Grown Alchemist is valued at $72. And Grown Alchemist is a high-priced brand, and I do like it. I wouldn't be able to buy it on my own if it didn't come in things like this. And these glasses, I'll tell you, note to people that make products, there's no identification on this bag. This is a tagline for the company Nectar. On the glasses, I had to really search, and then I finally found it. It does say Nectar right there. And these particular glasses are not found on their website anymore, but similar glasses are either $49 or $59. So I went with the $49 price for this, and my bag is worth $179. That is for a refill that I paid $19.99 for. Pretty incredible. Although they do say on the Fab Fit Fun site, the mystery bundles, refills, and regular bundles, every 25th bundle will have like a powerhouse kind of an item in it or something, or more value to it. So what we'd like you to do is vote on which bag you think is better, which mystery bag, mine or JOHANA's. And don't be going by the price. We tell you the price because we just, are excited to show you what we got. Would you use my products more, or would you use JOHANA's products more? Which, do you like better that way? And JOHANA will also tell you the pricing of her items as well. And it's just fun. We have been doing this. This is our 21st battle, like I said. At the beginning, we were keeping track of who was winning and all that, and we just haven't done it recently, and we just have fun. So whoever you vote for, we're both happy, whether you vote for me, whether you vote for her. We both are just, as long as we're happy with our bags. I'm happy with this bag. I think it's a really fantastic bag. And if I don't use these products, they will go in future giveaways. So that'll be fun for y'all too. So, and usually I will do a great mystery bundle of a giveaway for you all. So whoever wins, I'm supposed to tell you to say a word so that I can, this is not a secret, but so that I can find you in the comment picker. So let's just do the usual FFF. If you're interested in entering the giveaway, because I know some of you watch and you're not going to join the giveaway. So if you want to be in the giveaway, use FFF. And that can be capital, it can be, short letters, whichever you want to do. And that way I'll know that you're interested in being in the giveaway. And this will run for 2 weeks. I'll have the dates in the description, y'all, because not quite sure when we're posting. So it'll end in 2 weeks. And usually what I do is I end it at noon, the day that I choose, the day that JOHANA and I choose to end it. And then within a day or 2 or 3, we'll post our winners. We like to try to post our winners at the same time. I always make a video. Sometimes JOHANA does, but sometimes she puts it on her community tab. So look for that. And then we follow our rules. My rules for me, JOHANA's rules for her. So the rules are the regular rules in my description always. You have to be 18 years or older to win. I don't know that that really matters. How am I going to know how old you are? But anyway, I like you to be, you have to be an adult. YouTube has absolutely nothing to do with this giveaway. They're not responsible for this giveaway. JOHANA's not responsible for this giveaway. I'm not responsible for this giveaway. Besides what I get to the post office, Fab Fit Fun is not responsible. The products that I mentioned are not responsible for this giveaway. I will put this in the mail, and I will get a tracking from the U.S. Postal Service, and then it's out of my hands. So I'm no longer responsible at that point. I'll make sure that I put it to you. As long as you give me the correct address, I will get it out to you properly. I'll send you the tracking if you want me to. Most of the time I do. You will contact me if you are the winner. Contact me via email or Instagram. Mary Catherine Loves Cats. All in the description. I've got some fur in my face, sorry. I'm trying to think of, I know there's more to do. Oh, please be in the continental United States for me to mail this to you. You can live anywhere in the world, but I have to be able to ship it in the U.S. I'm telling you, shipping in the U.S. has gone exorbitantly priced. So around the world. I just shipped some friend mail to a dear friend of mine across the ocean, and it was quite expensive. I just can't afford to do it. I'd love to, but I can't. I do love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Whether you are new to my channel or if you've been here since the beginning, I really appreciate all of y'all. And JOHANA feels the same way about you. we both just have fun with our channels and try to show you some nice products, and we love to do giveaways. So go check out JOHANA if you don't know her, because she does a lot of great unboxings and giveaways as well. And thank you for being here, and just go ahead and vote, and we will tabulate the votes and maybe mention who wins, if I win or if JOHANA wins. And like I said, we don't have hurt feelings. You can vote for either bag. I'm so excited to see what JOHANA gets. So that's what I'm doing now, is going over to watch her channel. Y'all be careful and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.